Seedance 2.0 generates cinematic video from any input. Production workflows convert ideas, images, and prompts into high-quality AI outputs. The dashboard provides pre-built workflows. Select Matte Painting Studio to generate AI-driven background environments. Define the environment in the Design Request field. Describe atmosphere, lighting, terrain, and visual style. Enter your email to receive the generated matte paintings. Provide a shortcode to map outputs to specific scenes. Provide a sequence code to group and organize related shots within the same flow. This ensures continuity, structured sequencing, and easier tracking across your project. Enter a project ID to align outputs within a single production pipeline. Click Generate Matte Variations to submit the request. The system processes and generates multiple outputs. A confirmation is triggered. 4 AI-generated matte variations are sent to your email. Open the email to review project metadata and sender details. Check whether a reference image was used to guide generation. Download the attachments directly from the email. Seedance 2.0 operates as a complete production pipeline. From concept to final output, execution is automated and structured.